Welcome back, my dear students of class 8. Dear student, I am Rajendra, your science teacher, and I am going to present chapter 15 via this video so that you can learn effectively. Dear student, chapter 15 is light, and in this chapter, so many sub chapters that you will be able to learn here. And first of all, let us see that what is light. How can you understand the concept of light? So see here, as we can see, the world through our eyes of our sense sight. However, you cannot see anything without the light, that is in darkness. When the light falls on or upon or it emitted by an object, our eyes detect that light and hence the object becomes visible to us. So this light energy is coming to this power source, light is emitting, and this light get absorbed. This light is enter into our eyesight and it will be read by our brain. So what happens when light falls on a mirror? तो अब आप ये देखेंगे कि मिरर के ऊपर जब लाइट पड़ती है तो क्या होता है. We know that light is a form of energy which responsible for the sense of light in the human eyes. Light can be called as radiation that is emitted, reflection or absorbed by the different object. It means if light is present in the environment, then it is absorbed by the different object. तो क्या होता है कि बहुत सारे जो ऑब्जेक्ट होते हैं उनके द्वारा लाइट को एब्जॉर्ब कर लिया जाता है. ठीक. और लाइट क्या है? लाइट इज दिस इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी. लाइट इज ए form of energy which get absorbed by different objects which are present around us. So here in this slide, this is the introductory part of the light. And now come to next. What happens if light falls on the mirror? So you are looking here, the mirror. This is the source of light and it is coming on the surface of this mirror and this is reflecting. Okay. So light is coming and reflecting, light is coming and reflecting. So this phenomena is shown in this diagram, that light falling on mirror that get reflected. It means there is a reflection of light. So now we will understand that what is the reflection and what are the laws of the reflection. So when the light strike a surface and bounce back is called reflection. So when a light is coming here and it is bounced back, so this phenomena is called reflection. Incidence ray, the ray of light that falls on the surface is called incidence ray. So here this ray is the incidence ray. This ray is the incidence ray while this ray is the reflected ray. Okay, and normally it is drawn perpendicular to the reflecting surface where the incidence ray may be bent upon it, and the angle of incidence means if there is a surface, suppose this is a surface and light is coming, so this will be the that will be theta 1, theta I, and that will be the angle of reflection theta r. So you can understand why another thing. You can understand this. This is the light of reflection. This is the angle of reflection. This will be the normal. Normal means the line which is perpendicular to the surface of the mirror, that is normal position. And if the incidence ray is forming an angle, then this will be called angle of incidence. And this ray forming this angle, then that will be the angle of reflection. So angle I is equal to angle R. Angle I is equal to angle R. So several laws are there which predict the different aspects of the reflection of light. The first law, the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection are always equal to each other. मतलब कि दोनों बराबर होते हैं. Angle I is equal to angle R. Angle I is equal to angle R. And by which a light is incidence on surface will always be equal to the angle which is reflected back from the surface. So angle I is equal to. Then second law of reflection, that is the incidence ray, the reflected ray and normal all lie in the same plane. तो क्या होता है दूसरे लॉ में, if this is a plane, so incidence ray and reflecting ray, this is the reflecting ray R, this is the incidence ray I, these all happens in a same plane. Okay, now dear student, we will learn about the image formation of the image by the plane mirror. Formation of the image by the plane mirror. How does the image get formed? As a result of the reflection of light by plane mirror? So you will see here. Here, students, you are looking here the ray diagram. This ray diagram is, suppose this is an object. This is the object, and this is the upper side, this is the lower side, and if this object is falling here, then this light gets reflected, and this phenomenon, this thing is touching over here, and this is the principal axis. This angle is here coming, this may be reflected here, and this is the principal axis. So at the same distance, this will be, and if you, this ray will be continued towards this side, then this image will be formed at the same distance as the object is situated. Therefore, the image formed by the plane mirror is the image formed by the plane mirror is the image formed by the plane mirror is laterally inverted, virtual, erect, and at the same distance as the object is situated. Okay, so students, now come to next. These are the descriptions about the image formations, and the characteristics of the image formed by a plane mirror are following. It is at the same height as that of the object. This is important. This is important. The distance between the image and the mirror and the object and the mirror is always equal. So equal distance will be there. The image is erect and upright. The image is laterally inverted. It is virtual image because it is formed by the apparent intersection of diverging rays. Okay. So students, here in this video I am trying to explain all of you about the light and image formed by the plane mirror. Now see what is lateral inversion. What is lateral inversion? So in this pic, you are looking a boy standing in front of the mirror, and that boy, this is the right hand. This is the right hand of the boy, this one. But in the mirror, it will be left, and this left will be in the right position. So this is called lateral inversion. Now we will discuss about the diffused and regular reflection. Regular reflection means when rays of light on a smooth surface, अगर स्मूथ सरफेस होता है तो वो रेगुलर रिफ्लेक्शन देता है, अगर रफ सरफेस होता है, इरेगुलर होता है तो वो डिफ्यूज देता है, डिफ्यूज रिफ्लेक्शन देता है. एंड इट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड specular reflection. It is also called irregular reflection. It leads to the formation of image. It enables us to view the different objects present in our environment. सो रेगुलर स्पेकुलर रिफ्लेक्शन मीन्स वो इमेज फॉर्म करता है, और डिफ्यूज रिफ्लेक्शन बहुत सारे ऑब्जेक्ट को देखने में मदद करता है. नाउ इल्यूमिनेटेड ऑब्जेक्ट एंड ल्यूमिनस ऑब्जेक्ट. ऐसे ऑब्जेक्ट जिन जो लाइट इमिट करते हैं, इमिट नहीं करते हैं अपने द्वारा, लेकिन अगर उनके ऊपर कोई लाइट पड़ती है तो वो दिखते हैं, वो चमकते हैं. दे आर कॉल्ड illuminated object like moon. But luminous object are the object which emit light. For example, tube light, bulb, sun, and the stars. Okay. So students, so many things are given in this video like this. You can see kaleidoscope, this one will be this, and this is the prism, after this human eye. So this is a very good note, and I hope that you will revise this note. So thank you very much, my dear student, for watching this video. We will explain further in next video. Thank you.